start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Tighten with the elastic band and breathe normally. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag is not in place. Put your mask on first before helping others. Smoking, vaping, or the use of smokeless tobacco is not allowed on the aircraft, and federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. A water landing is unlikely, but just in case, your seat cushion can be used for flotation. To remove, pull up. Put your arms through the strap and hug the cushion to your chest as shown on the safety card. For those with infants, additional life vests are provided on board. A description of the location, use, and operation can be found in the safety card. As we complete our final safety check, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened. Your seat back is upright. Your tray table is put away, and all carry-on items stowed. Once airborne, we'll be back with more details about our flight.
As an additional safety reminder, like limited oxygen is needed, please remove any personal face coverings prior to donning oxygen mask. Ensure mask is secured and sealed properly. Turning off the main cabin lights. If you require additional lighting, there are reading lamps located over your seats, activated by pressing the gray button. to fly with us today, a special welcome to Advantage members, over frequent flyers, and Advantage credit card holders. To join Advantage, sign up today on AA.com or miles for today's flight. You can also miles with the hotel like car rental partners, as well as Advantage eBay and Ride MasterCard, which offers many great travel benefits. As a reminder, the seatbelt sign is on. Even when the seatbelt sign is off, please keep your seatbelts fastened while seated. In the event of turbulence, the passengers may need to be seated. We apologize if this interrupts our service. Discussion when opening over advanced audience may have shifted. Please keep the aisle areas clear. There are 2 lavatories, one in the front and one in the back. Wi-Fi will be available shortly. You may access AA.com free of charge to brief line connections on the transportation. Complimentary should be reading service also available. Shall begin our in-flight service on this flight. We're offering a selection of complimentary beverages with a snack. You may also purchase our alcoholic beverages using a debit credit card. As a reminder, drinking personal alcohol you brought on board is not permitted. If there's anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to ask.